Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tailgates and Toolboxes here with another quick snack review. It's April 3rd, 2026, Good Friday, and I got something that is, I guess, appropriate towards the holiday. What do we got today? Ta-da! Sweetarts Jellybeans. I found these at my local Family Dollar. They were like $1.75. So, they call it a share pack. You got the Easter Bunny in there, Mr. Bunny Foo-Foo. Theme for Easter. All different things. Sweetarts Jellybeans. So, let's see. I bought these on a whim. So, I don't have regular Sweetarts to compare it to, but me being a candy junk food connoisseur, LOL, I'm pretty sure I know what they kind of taste, what they're supposed to taste like. So, let's see. I'm going to open these up. Sniff the bag. Wow, very sweet. They definitely smell like Sweetarts. The bag definitely smells like Sweetarts when you open it up. They whoop, dropped the jelly bean. To me, they push this down. There we go. They're round. They're rolling. They're not your average size jelly beans. I remember. To me, lately, everybody who's been making jelly beans seems like they're going the way of the size of Jelly Bellies. You know how they're smaller? I remember jelly beans used to be a little bit bigger. I don't have a regular jelly bean to compare it to, but yeah, these are definitely not regular size jelly beans. These are like more of the way, like look like they're trying to be like Jelly Belly. I guess it's less volume, you know. I don't know, cheaper. If you make them smaller, they're cheaper. So, all right, so let's taste them. They definitely taste like Sweetarts. Tastes like a jelly bean. Definitely tastes like Sweetarts. Yeah, I'm trying not to chew on camera. The lemon is very lemony. It's got good flavor. So, yeah, it definitely tastes like Sweetarts. Definitely tastes like Sweetarts. So, if you like Sweetarts, you like jelly beans, definitely check them out if you can find them. Like I said, my local Family Dollar had them. But since Easter Sunday, and I'm dropping them all over. Things been going like hotcakes. And I gotta clean that up. So, check these out if you like Sweetarts. These are really good. Definitely really good. So, check them out. Like I said, my local Family Dollar had them. It'd be like $1.75. So, like I said, Easter Sunday. So, if you want, check them out. See if you can find them. You know, grab them. If you like Sweetarts, these are really good. Especially if you have a sweet tooth. So, alright guys, that's my real quick review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a hype button, please hype up the video. Helps the channel grow. Helps me out a lot. Again, thank you for watching. Everyone have a happy Easter. Alright, thank you. Bye.